Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Subi and today's special is besan laddu. Besan is nothing but the chickpea flour, and you can also avail this at dukan.com or Kerala Exotica at Bratislava. You can also find in some of the Tesco stores, but I don't find it in Privija. So let's see how to make it, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel to your friends and family. I'm using 150 grams of homemade clarified butter. To this I'm adding 150 grams of gram flour. Make sure there are no lumps. Now slowly add the 150 grams of wheat flour to this and keep stirring. We have to roast it thoroughly until the rawness of the flour is gone. You'll understand that once you get a real full aroma of the ghee and the cooked flour. You can see that when you press, it's very soft and it's pretty clear. It's cooked, fully cooked. Now you can just remove it from the stove. Now finally I'm adding a pinch of salt and, as mentioned, 150 grams of sugar, and mix it thoroughly. You can see that the sugar is melting automatically. This will form a easy texture so that you can make it into nice spheres. And for the final thing, I'm adding almonds. You can also add pistachios. I love almonds with these kinds of laddus. Again, just mix it well, let it cool down a bit, then we can make the shapes. Now you can see it's cooled down and also it's perfect consistency. You can make any shapes you want, and I'm usually making the normal besan laddu. We have added enough almonds, and I'm just adding little slices of pistachio because I love it and it also enhances the taste of the laddu. Do try this and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.